Hey everybody, Cappy here.
Miko here.
Here to play another round of Ratchet and Clank. I think we're going to finally get all the brains. We got 19 of them to go. And we just discovered a new area, so...
Just put me back in a better place.
Got another helicopter.
Let me try and...
You can use that while you're flying?
I guess so.
That's cool.
Oh, boy. Why did I shoot?
Find some nanotech.
Why did I hit that thing?
There's a button right there. And we need nanotech bad.
Yeah.
Not bullets.
Yeah, I don't have another Mr. Zircon.
I think we're boned. I think we're in a tight situation here. You're almost on a rocket fuel too. You can try and take him from above and see what that does. I don't think they can shoot way up here.
I don't know how well that's gonna do. Ooh.
If you wipe out everything, I would be surprised.
Got him.
I got someone.
Yeah.
Those things would land once in a while. Ah, dang it.
Oh, I keep forgetting we have another weapon.
Oh yeah.
This might be useful.
Oh yeah.
I'm glad I bought this.
One behind a little pillar.
Into the warship. This is only level 1, too.
Yeah.
Oh, there's some brains. What else is shooting? It's a machine.
I'm worried about the turrets that
Fly
are down
over
there.
there and then shoot at him from above.
Oh, wait. Got it.
Alright, go to the other platform and then try and shoot him.
Alright, so this thing rotates, so yeah.
Alright. Machine gun is right there.
Yep.
Okay,
Got him.
thank you. Now hit these red switches.
Yeah, let me scavenge around first.
Collect some goods.
Yeah.
Hopefully refuel. Because if you go into another fight, you're screwed.
Oh.
There's a gold bolt.
Oh, where's that last pad?
Oh.
All you got left is the flamethrower and 2 shots of that. Now
Wow.
we ate up a lot of ammo doing this. We're probably going to lose a lot of this cash in the store. Another gold bolt, that's good.
There we go.
We got 44 brains. So,
Refuel station. Take that.
there's gotta be one more area left.
If you see a little shopping place, let me know so I can...
Trust me, we are low on ammo. I'd rather you go find a store first before you continue this. No, there's enemies down there, so I guess not. I want to get whatever gadget he has, so...
Yeah. Oh, I see a shop over there.
Don't forget that spot you just flew above. Oh, thank you, God.
Do me a favor and buy something, will you? I'll fill up.
Finally.
Alright.
Now let's...
We got like 12 Veritarium, so... What can we top off?
Oh.
What did we get?
The instruction manual for this banned mod claims that it exploits a glitch to occasionally spawn health pickups whenever enemies are defeated. Whatever that means.
So...
It'll spawn
Yes.
nanotech every now and again.
Oh, cool. Get the ammo. Guess it'll spawn ammo.
Yeah.
Alright, get those last two.
Oh. Yeah, range needs to be...
I want this pixelizer to be boosted.
Oh, right. Alright.
Okay. Now we got all of our ammo back.
Yeah, let's try and find these brains.
I think you passed it when you flew over to get here.
Let's see. Ooh, titanium.
Two of them. Yeah, because there's enemies here, so I'm assuming there's something down this way. Okay, there he is.
Come back anytime. I can always use your
Wow.
brain.
11,000. Got 16 left to collect.
Dang, that was awesome.
Oh yeah. That was a nice healthy payload. So where's those last little tidbits at?
They gotta be around in these areas.
There's one. Don't tell me it's ones we just forgot. We got 15 more to collect. There's one across there. You don't have much rocket fuel left.
Yeah,
do you?
I'm looking for it.
Right there, I think. Oh yeah.
Yeah, I saw.
I think you need to search these towers a bit more because I've noticed.
Yeah.
When there's only 16 left, that means there's some hidden pods.
And there's probably some more bosses.
Bosses? I don't think so. Hidden pods seem more likely to be down there.
Mr. Zircon is here to kill.
What level is Zircon
Know
at?
what
He's almost at level 5.
Yeah, so close.
told you about Mr. Zircon?
Okay, you already went down there. So what else is there to search? There's gotta be something.
Oh yeah, that area where you died but didn't go back to.
Okay. What'd you do? Try to throw down a Groovatron?
Mr. Zircon still
I don't know if it's gonna affect them at all.
one little
Oh, crap.
Oh, there's a
dead little
wrench thing there.
Oh, it got him. I wasn't even meaning to do that. It makes the turns dance?
I guess.
only to kill.
Whoa.
Oh, that's a payoff. Alright. Twist that thing.
Yeah. Finish off this
Probably a
thing.
hidden path that has the rest of them.
Maybe.
There's a jetpack thing right down there.
Yep.
So yeah, this is a hidden area.
Why do you hide,
Whoa.
aliens? Mr. Zircon only wishes for to kill you.
Oh, you have to go through a jetpack, through there with a jetpack.
Hello, stinky aliens.
Man. Have to be really good with the jetpacks just to get through there.
Yeah.
Mr. Zircon is looking to kill you. One little dead little now. Spawned in the body
We got 8 more to find.
Ha!
Mr. Zircon has returned with a vengeance. These are the moments
6
Mr.
more.
Zircon lives for. Why do you
Nice.
stinky aliens? Mr. Zircon only wishes for to kill you.
Wait, is this that place that we were
think
trying
it-
to get to?
I think it was. I think it is. Is there anything on that platform up there?
Yep. Huh.
Go ahead and go up. Yeah, this is exactly where we're trying to go.
Yeah, it was the
Is
place.
that rare titanium we stole? No, I
Yeah,
thought
that was the rare titanium we mined.
there's another one. We got
I
6
have-
more brains, so I'm guessing either 2 bosses or a boss and a couple small fries.
Destroy target. Plus Mr. Zircon equals
Oh.
die.
Yeah, got this area too.
Mr. Zircon has returned with a vengeance.
Ah.
No one warned you about Mr. Zircon. Death is too stupid for Mr. Zircon.
Ah.
Hello, stinky aliens. Goodbye, Furball.
What? He left me again?
Because he got destroyed.
Need some nanotech.
Need that Groovertron to work. Come on, so close. There we go.
And you have
2 more brains to go. That means they gotta be in
They
those
gotta be
little
small
containers. I probably should have refilled on jet fuel.
yeah. Come on, I want that new
I don't know
gadget.
why I called him as Mr. Circle.
Is here to kill.
Really want that new gadget. I don't know what it is, but I just want it.
I want to make it up here.
Yeah,
Dang it, I was hoping there was gonna be jet fuel. Oh, I see another one way over there.
is there a jet fuel spot somewhere?
It's gotta be somewhere nearby.
You are a disease,
That's one.
and Mr.
There's
Zircon
one more
is the
left.
cure.
Enemy down.
Moments Mr. Zircon lives for.
There's gotta be one on that big landmass somewhere.
No, there isn't. Dang it.
You down to what, 13%?
It increases to 25%, but that's it.
Creature, you fight like an infant blurred fly.
Okay, so at least we know it recharges somewhat. There's one
And
more
tell your
left.
friends Mr. Zircon is here to make death.
It's gotta be somewhere around here.
It's gotta be a tiny case, we know that.
Oh, rare titanium.
And fuel. Fuel up. Oh, you already did.
Yep. Just one more brain, that's all we need. Oh crap!
Explosive wall.
I didn't even notice that until I heard the beeping.
Yeah.
I thought that was a jump, a wall jump place. I'll continue to look around.
Alright, well actually we're gonna end the video here then, and we'll try to have the brain before we'll start the next episode.
Oh, gold bolt.
Well, at least we found that. Heck yeah. So if you like this episode, hit the thumbs up on the episode, and why not subscribe to the channel as well. And if you want to check out other great content or get in touch with us, check out our Facebook or Twitter accounts or Nico's channel in the description below. So thanks everybody for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
See ya.